This is Rick from AC Poker Refrigeration here at a farm stand out in Gouldsboro, installing a compressor unit for this Bush 3-door cooler. And they had removed the compressor unit. I have reinstalled it and evacuated it. We're going to turn it on and charge it. Again, this is up here in Gouldsboro. Come and enjoy their fruit, their fresh vegetables. It'll be nice and cool.
No, that would probably be big enough.
Okay, turn the breaker on, the compressor's running. That's a good sign. I checked for leaks. Okay, gauge is not doing too bad. We've got gas in it. There's the vacuum pump, thermostat. What they did was also, let me show you on the other side here, they had put another drain line inside for a bucket. If you look down there, that's a heater for a condensate drain. They disconnected it from the inside of the box. We're going to reconnect it, which I already did. I showed the owner what they'd done from the previous owners. And there you go. They had this on here going down into a bucket down here, whereas it's supposed to go right out here and go into the condensate heater to evaporate the water that this makes. Okay, all fans are working. Looks good shape. It's a nice unit. It's just working okay. All right. So again, come and enjoy their vegetables here at Connect Produce Stand Farm Market up in Gouldsboro. And this is Rick from AC and Poker Refrigeration at your service 24/7. Please give us a call. We've got 47 years of experience. Okay, you all have a nice day. God bless. Don't forget to check my music video out on YouTube, Ricky Zito in the Fire music video. Thank you very much. Okay, bye.